Namaskaram customers, welcome to Rupnika NX. Today I am going to show you various kinds of sari, not in a particular cloth, in various designs and combinations. So first sari is Venkatgiri Pattu. This sari is having Paithani border and contrast pallu blouse. So let us see how the sari is. This is the sari number 1. This is a red in color sari. First we will see the pallu of the sari. This is a rich looking pallu, contrast in color, green and silver zari work on the sari. We will also see the Paithani border of this sari, which highlights the sari. You can see the down. This is the Paithani border, silver color, silver zari Paithani border. Now we will see the main body of the sari. This sari is on two-side border, both the sides Paithani border. We will see the second side of the border also. This is the side. These both are the both sides of the border. All over sari, bootas is there. We will see the main body of the sari now. This is the main body of the sari. The sari is red in color, silver zari boota and peacock work. This sari is pure hand woven sari. Now we will see the blouse of this sari. Plain blouse with same Paithani borders on both the sides of the sari and blouse, you can see. And this is going to cost you 11,560. So let us see the sari number 2. This is Kanchi Pattu sari. We will see the sari first. Main body of the sari. This sari has something special in this. I will say you what is special in this. We will see the main body first. This is the main body of the sari, orange in color. This is jal weaving and big 10-inch border. This is the work done on this sari is jal weaving, known as jal weaving. This is a special kind of weaving. And now we will see the pallu of this sari. This sari has both the sides border. The down border is 10-inch border and the upper one is medium size border. Now we will see the pallu of this sari. This is the pallu. You can see. This is the pallu of the sari. Contrast pallu and blouse will be for this sari. Now we will see the blouse of this sari. And the pallu also has jal work. Plain blouse, plain contrast pink color blouse with same border of the sari on the blouse also. Golden zari blouse, golden zari border it is. And this is going to cost you 9,860 rupees only. Now we will see the sari number 3. This is also Kanchi Pattu sari, and this is Kanchi maroon in color and black color combination. The main body of the sari is Kanchi maroon color, and this is weaving pattern on the sari. This is the main body. You can see Kanchi maroon in color. And now we will see the border of this sari. The main body of this sari is having weaving pattern. Two-side border is there. The down part of this sari has big border and the upper part of this sari has medium size border. This is black in combination, black color border with maroon color, Kanchi maroon color combination of this sari. And now we will see the pallu of this sari. Grand looking pallu, black in color with silver zari work on the pallu. You can see this is the pallu. And now we will see the blouse of this sari, how it is going to match. Black, plain in color blouse. This gives a nice option of doing any kind of work you want to do on the sari. And the blouse, you can see again, this is. And before we move on to the next sari, I hope you like the video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel to get latest updates about the saris and other things we provide. Let us see sari number 4. Sari number 4 is Ikkat Pattu with Kanchi border. This is parrot green and pink color. And this saree has kanchi weaving and pochampalli pattern on the pallu. Now we will see first the main body of this saree. This is how the saree will look. Parrot green in color with big 12-inch border and small border on the upper side. You can see this is how it will look. Nice work on the saree, golden zari work. And now we will see the pallu. This pallu has kanchi weaving and pochampalli pattern. This pallu also has big border on the bottom side and small border on the upper side. This is the pallu. And now we will see the blouse of this saree. This saree is full of pochampalli pattern on this blouse. It gives you a nice look, you can see, and big border on the downside and small border on the upper side. And this is going to cost you 14,300 rupees. Nice combination of parrot green and pink. It is always known that green gives a better combination for pink also, so you can go for this saree also. Now we will move on to saree number 5. Saree number 5, Kanchi Pattu saree. This saree is whole single in color, peach color saree. This is with spray zari border and spray zari work. The main body is mango spray zari. The work is mango designed work with spray zari. Now we will see the main body of this saree and also the border. You can see silver spray zari border and spray zari mango work on this saree. This is whole peach in color saree. Now we will see the pallu. Running pallu color, and this is also spray zari work with leaf pattern, and both the sides spray zari border, silver spray zari border. Now we will see the blouse. Plain peach color blouse. This blouse also has spray zari, silver spray zari borders both the sides. This is the plain blouse, peach blouse. And this is going to cost you 8,580 rupees only. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe our channel and visit the store located in Hapsiguda Street number 8. You can see the location through Google Maps. Thank you and have a good and safe day.